Now once you have purchased your eSIM, this will gonna show up in the My eSIMs on the bottom of your screen. So you just need to click on it, and this is how it will gonna look like. So you just need to click on your recently purchased eSIM and then click on the View Instruction button. Once you click there, you just need to click on the Direct on the top and then click on Install eSIM. Now you just need to click on the next and follow the on-screen instruction. Click on continue button and then you just need to click on the done button again. You need to add a cellular or mobile plan label to the newly installed eSIM. Tap secondary and enter Airalo or your preferred label. Tap done and tap continue button on the bottom of your screen. Now you need to select primary for default line and select primary again for iMessages and FaceTime. Now make sure that My Airalo eSIM is selected and allow cellular data switching is toggle off. After completing this step, you will see a confirmation that the eSIM is successfully installed. After that, you just need to open up the settings application on your iPhone and then click on cellular or mobile data. After entering in cellular, you just need to tap your eSIM. Ensure that the eSIM is enabled. If not, toggle on, turn on this line. Also check if you need to enable data roaming on your device by opening the Airalo app and viewing your eSIM instructions. Toggle data roaming on or off, then go back to cellular or mobile settings and click on cellular data on the top and make sure Airalo is selected. Your eSIM should automatically connect to a supported mobile network, and now you have successfully activated Airalo eSIM on your iPhone.